I'm walking through the grocery store and find the miniest apples in history. I could not resist getting them. Thanks for watching today. Be sure to subscribe for more, and if you liked the video, would you mind sharing it? Thank you! Remember to subscribe here to the channel and for free at mindovermunch.com to be entered to win a food processor. And while you're there, check out our 30-day email course and Bento ebook. Until tomorrow, my munchies, and remember, it's all a matter of mind over munch.